Hello, parents of Red River Valley School Division. My name is Dennis Weeb. I'm the tech coach for Red River Valley, and I'm here to help you out with Seesaw and what happens when your student is working on Seesaw at home. So, we're going to take you through some of the steps. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is this little piece of paper here. Hopefully, you have one of these, or if you don't have one, you can get one fairly quickly from your teacher. And if they don't know how to do it, I can get them the information for that to you. And what that looks like, it looks something very similar to this. I'm just going to make this a little smaller. You can see here there's different ways you can connect in with your Seesaw account, with your student Seesaw account. The big thing here is to remember we need the class app. That's what you need, especially if you're going to put it on your phone or your tablet. Make sure you have the class app available. And then not the family app. Also, if you want to use just your laptop, that's what I'm going to use today. You can go to this website here. I'm going to click on that. You'll have that available to you as well. And that's what we're going to use for today's lesson. But the class app is very similar to what you're going to see. So I'm going to click on class or the website. This is what it looks like. So we're going to join in as a student, as I believe his name's Jacob. We're going to join in as Jacob. I'm going to go as a student. And you'll notice here there's different ways you can sign in. We're not going to worry about these. We want to get down here to the text code. So if your computer does not have a webcam, you can type in the text code, which is right on that piece of paper I just showed you, or you can click the scan code. This is what I recommend. And you're going to see the camera turn on. Here we go. Also, you need the back camera. You can flip it. And I'm just going to throw that code up there, and it should bring me right into Jacob's portfolio. Journals, sorry, they call them journals here. Okay, so here we are, and you can see we're going to do this one, addition using 10 frames. Very straightforward. You'll see every single activity that your teacher gives you typically has the instructions on there. And all you do is just follow the instructions. So we're going to go add response. So number one's add response. We're going to do that. And then it opens up the activity. And in this particular one, what do we do now? We're going to color each frame to solve the addition problem. Okay, so we're going to color each frame. Now, the nice thing about Seesaw, you'll notice along here, we have all sorts of different types of tools we can use. Some you might have to take a picture. Some you might have to record your voice. You may have to write in some text. Is there anything else there? You may want to put in some shapes and those types of things, but your teacher will let you know what you need to do here. But at the bottom, I'm just going to hide this so we can see, you'll see the pencils and markers and all that kind of stuff. And over on the right-hand side is the colors you can use right here. So it says the first one is 3 plus 4. So I'm going to use my highlighter, and we're going to make it nice and red. And we go, there's 4 and I guess that's 4. Here's 3. So there we go. There we got 1 done. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. I made a mistake. So there's a perfect opportunity. How do we fix that? Well, we got a little eraser here, and we're going to erase all that. I'll try that again. Yes, I can count. Here we go. Let's try that again. So we're at red. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that's kind of a mess, but you get the idea. And here's the next one. So we go do this, and we're going to go 1, 2, and then a 1. I think that's what we're supposed to do there, view the instructions. And we just keep doing that along there. So sorry, I'm not a very good math teacher, apparently. So anyway, it's kind of a mess, but you get the idea how this works. And once you're finished, you just view the instructions. And again, it says click to add response. For each one. And then when you finish it, I don't know if it actually shows you here. Yeah, you typically at the end of each activity, you click on this green check mark at the top right corner, and it uploads it right into Jacob's journal, and your teacher will receive that particular activity. Thank you for listening. Please talk to your teachers if you'd have any more questions, or you can contact me as well. I'm Dennis Weeb. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.